Okay, so now we're ready to do the top here, the 9 rows. I've already added the thread. I have about a yard, by the way, that I've been working with each time. So I'm going to come under the warps, pick up the 4. Whoops, hey now. Get back with your group. Okay, so this time I'm going to bring these close to the triangle because I'm going to work up. Okay, and I just want to keep checking to make sure everything is nice and snug. Okay, cool. Okay, make sure we're in the camera here. And again, just taking our time, not being too, too fast. And when we need to hold them, go ahead and give them a little extra security there. This guy's a little bit in the way. What's he doing here? Okay. And then we're going to come back under. Well, I don't know about you, but my imagination has been already going. I'm seeing multiple boomerang rings, right? Because we could do that. We could do boomerangs all the way around if we wanted. In fact, I should probably do that. That'd be pretty cool. Instead of this open space, you could certainly just do probably 3 in the middle here. Kind of have to maybe make this one and then see how it feels on your finger and then let your imagination go with what else you could do. That's what I love about this project. I really think that it could be a couple different looks. And the triangle beads are just such a favorite. Let's see, what do we have? We have 5. Awesome. So we need 4 more. You know, it's quite interesting how quickly you can get these done once you get your rhythm down. You know, the rings are really a lot of fun to make and not really that time consuming at all, especially once you know what you're going to do and you've got your beads picked out. So oopsie. Yeah, so again, just making sure that it's nice and tight and I don't have any loose spots. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is 7. That was 8. And we got 1 more. just really pretty and fun. So different and unique, you know. I really, really love this. Okay. So let me just make sure we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Awesome. And we have 9 on this end. Let's see how I did with my measuring skills. Let's see. How did this work out? Okay. Well, I probably, well, it's either going to be for me or for somebody else. So I've got 2 and a little over a half, but I'm going to take the chance. Yeah, because it can always be a gift. So my finger was 2.75, but then I would have been uneven, but you're never going to know. You would have never known that. So make an executive decision, Jules. Do you add 1 more row just in case? I'm going to add 1 more row, you guys. Okay, so we've got 9 on this side, but I'm going to go ahead and do 10 on this other side. And again, you're never going to know. It's not going to look off balance or anything like that. But I can just kind of tell that it might be a little too snug for me if I don't. And that's just fine because, again, it's going to be in the back where the 2 ends are sewn. And so no one's ever going to know. Okay, there we go. Good deal. All right, now what I'm going to do here is I'm leaving the thread and the needle attached, because when I come back, we're going to take this off of the warp, and then we're going to sew those 2 ends together. I might make that into 2 different little tidbits. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'll be right back.